How to turn off or turn on live photos on FaceTime on iPhone. So if you're a fan of FaceTime and I want to disable or enable live photo each time you're using FaceTime, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off live photos on FaceTime, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Then on the settings page, on iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps. On iOS 17 or earlier, locate FaceTime on the settings page and click on it. Now once you selected apps, scroll down until you get to FaceTime and click on it. Then this will take you to a FaceTime settings page where you can easily disable FaceTime or start using it. Now to disable live photos on FaceTime, just scroll to where you see live photo. Here I have FaceTime live photos. Allow live photos to be captured during a FaceTime video call. So to disable this, just toggle this off and that's going to disable your FaceTime live photo on your FaceTime account while on video call. To turn it on, just toggle this on as well. So that is basically how to turn on or turn off FaceTime live photo on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.